This week we're there, one of vibes with one of Portmore's young dancehall guns. Right now, status, what going, brother?
Yeah, no, Jenna.
Be a thing one of Portmore and go out with doing the buzz and bill.
Yeah. Like a beehive, you know?
That's I got my talk to her right now and tell us some of the works where status are going on with.
Alright, been working since like a year now or 2 years now, like dropping music. So forth. I have my own channel, you know what I mean? So my channel the music them through there, so basically. So if you want you know my music then you have to go find my channel. I have songs like Beat Them Bad, you know what I mean? That is a song we feature Matrix.
Okay.
You know what I mean? A youth from Outer Links did this. So.
Sure.
Big up yourself, bro G. Watch them, Cash Flow, 50 Shades. Just a name a few, you know what I mean? I've been at Jap Music, you know what I mean? And the name of my channel, right? If you want to find my music on YouTube, STATTUS, you know what I mean? MUZIK. So that's Status Music. It's spelled with 2 T's.
How you get the name Status?
Alright, the name came from basically, the name is taken from footing or a post, you know what I mean? It's a dictionary term.
Yeah.
So basically, me use the dictionary term and match it with my life basically, because Mega Banton and my father, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's just like I get.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Mega Banton and my father, and from your born, the son of a major superstar like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You got born with a certain footing or a post. Alright, exactly. Thank you.
And
Yeah.
I mean, speaking of Mega Banton being your father, you know what I mean, how has that affected you musically?
Jaja. Good and bad, you know, bro. You see me? Good and bad. Because I feel like people underrate me because just the fact say I'm a father that them probably say you. My father write my music and create my material and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But in a positive light now, it grew me as a person, you see it? Because I just watch and observe and learn how to deal with certain things based on how I see him deal with it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Them a pull up in a total. She asked me how my cologne so strong, pistol in
And the voice have a similar.
Yeah.
You inherit that one there from him.
Yeah, man.
And true, and how does he feel? Like, you know what I mean, for those same son are going to carry on the legacy musically?
Yeah, I hope him feel like pleased still. You see, I can't speak for him.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But based on how I see him approach me more while and deal with me,
yeah.
like from a man to a man point of view,
yeah
man, him respect what I go on, man, because him see it for himself. You know what I mean?
That's a good. And what's one of the things that you are looking forward to, you know, to doing in relation to even your legacy and achieving right now?
Alright, to tell you the truth, more left some big song out there, bro. You know what I mean? Some song where I go last when my lifetime done.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Me you them can grow up and say I'm a father song that, you know.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Something like what me can do, because me can do that, you know.
Yeah, true.
You know what I mean? So something like that more do, I'm more left a solid foundation, like a studio, something. You know what I mean?
And the last question I'm gonna ask you pertaining to your father. What is one of your favorite songs from your father? Sing it too.
Alright. Pon the corner, be it a pot up, no coulda never dey pon the corner. No Achimai, no watch, no dey pon the corner. Be you get a youth sit down and a wall of one vibes and a chalice never light pon the corner. That me never boy ever you late them coulda never see another light pon the corner. Yeah man, pon the corner. Him and Delly Ranks. Think of 2004, Auto-Way Records I think. Intense, we are shocked, watch your voltage.
Talk to me a little bit more about the thing that you're working on. Tell me about your team here. You have a lot. You're doing some work with some overseas people right now as well.
Yeah. I recently did a collab with somebody based in Panama. You know what I mean? The person actually fly down and me and him link up and we create the song and we do the song. And it actually go on good over there because in terms of street friendly, it a play in a dance and everything. The more I send me video and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I use them Young Streets.
Yeah.
So large up yourself, bro. And large up the whole D-Box family, you know what I mean? D-Box producers song.
Yeah.
Yeah, from out of Panama. So large up the whole family, you know what I mean?
That's a good one. And talk to me about now what we can look forward to from you.
Yeah, alright.
Any visuals?
Yeah, alright. I have a video for shoot for a song named Star Life. That song is unreleased, released as yet. You know what I mean? Yeah. For some youth based in Miami. You know what I mean? World Dog people, them. Kings Records.
More money, more trouble. I rock solid on me, I wide up. Girl, I tell me, so she won't give me the sun.
I have a video, basically, for drop a song named Star Life.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? For some youth in Miami. Them link with World Dog, basically World Dog people, them. You know what I mean? Kings Records. You know what I mean? I did a song for them called Trouble Too. And that song, the video, that song up on my channel, actually. So, yeah. So people know that song from them time, you know what I mean? So I want to give them a new thing, you know. So. That's the next project we got video and drop.
coming out of 2020, we don't know how the whole industry they get shaken up and kind of put on pause with the whole corona and all.
Yeah, bro.
What's one of the biggest ways you think it affected you, and how has 2021 been any better?
To tell you the truth, you know, bro, like, in terms of, cause, me never start make money out of music yet, you know, fam, you see me? In terms of, like, release a song on the platform and then pay you. How I make my music out, how I make my money out of music is basically dub work, or ads, like video ads and stuff like that. So, to tell you the truth, when Corona come in, bro, I make more money out of music than when me even I do it when the place open. It's weird for even hear me say that, but a fact. You know what I mean? Because I get dubs and stuff like that. So I have to give thanks to you.
What's one of the things that we miss most about quote unquote the normal?
Nah, opening.
Yeah.
Cha. Party man. You can't go. You can't go out and you're not on a curfew, you know what I mean? You can stay the whole day on the road, the whole night if you feel please.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Right now people gonna watch the interview and I say, "Me know him face from somewhere that one remind the people.
Alright, Jamaican for the whole world, we're gonna see this. Yeah man, Magnum King and Queen artist from 2014, 4th place. Yeah man, Status. You know what I mean? Remember the Bonner played? Yeah man, the same new type.
Or the big song they got. What is that?
Me have all type of girl, ugly girl cute, girl with a waist size 13 boot. You me have white girl with white like snow, and girl with black like rose bread fruit. Listen to me, woman, me no patch. Yeah man.
2014.
Yeah.
What was that experience like for you, and what did you learn from it?
It was great for tell you the truth, bro. It was needed. You know what I mean? Cause I teach me a whole heap of things. Like how to deal with people.
Yeah.
Like interacting and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I do whole heap for me, bro. I give thanks, cause them promote me on them TV for like 2 months.
Yeah.
Free of cost.
Yeah.
So I give thanks, man. It was needed too. Cause me I never wanted them youth they were outspoken like that.
Yeah.
So it break that.
Has exposed
Yeah.
7 years later now you're
Yeah.
in the business.
Yeah.
So it was a good way for warm up to
Warm up to the thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get myself in gear and stuff like that.
That's a go on, man. That's a go on. So
I still come learn to perform too, man. Cause I remember me learn to perform before me even learn how to voice properly, you know, bro. Yeah, so at this time everything takes place.
in terms of any bodies of work, whether it be like album
or
EP,
EP,
or anything like that we can look forward to?
Yeah, I never do no date, but I have enough songs can more than do that, bro. I just, to tell you the truth, the reason why I never do something like that yet, I didn't want to drop it for somebody, like, not nice on them Monday.
Yeah.
Like, I work with them Monday, but I realize that it probably not going to happen until I do something like that and them see it and hear it.
Sure.
So, I'm going to drop it, man. I just not going to tell you when, but
man,
definitely.
Just do it, man. You can do many more too.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Definitely.
Yeah, man, that's going. Lastly, now, Status, I want you to tell us what's the most intense thing about Status.
I think my humbleness, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Like.
Where you get that from? Where you just say that come from now?
Like, that's my whole soul, I guess.
Yeah.
Cause even my father has a humble soul, you know.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, true.
Yeah, so, you see me?
Yeah, so that's the humility.
Yeah, somebody like me could have more than get up every day and hype, bro, and I do certain stuff. You know what I mean? I do some me that still, you see?
Yeah, true. That's go on, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
All when you hold the status in your life, you still have to hold a humility.